Not receiving emails in Gmail? Don't worry, I got you. Here are some steps you can follow to fix this problem. Let's start. 1. Check spam folder. Go to Gmail and then click here and then spam. Now check here if the email is here. For Windows, you can go to the sidebar and click on More, then click on Spam. 2. Ensure correct email address. This problem is very common. Entering wrong email address can prevent you from getting the email. Make sure that the email you wrote is right. 3. Unblock sender. You might have blocked the sender from sending you emails. You can go to Settings, then click on Filters and Blocked Addresses. Here, make sure that the sender is not blocked. 4. Check all mail. Sometimes mails might not arrive in the inbox. You can click here and then All Mail. Now search for sender's email. On PC, you can go to the sidebar and extend it by clicking on More, and then click on All Emails. 5. POP forwarding issues. If you use this, then it might be the reason. You can go to Settings and then Forwarding and POP IMAP. Now make sure that it is not turned on, or if it is, turn it off temporarily and try again. 6. Search email. Instead of scrolling, you can search for the email using Gmail's search bar. Go to Search Bar and search for the sender's email. This can also be done on PC. 7. Keep space available. If there is no space for emails, then you won't get any. You can check it by going to Settings, then All Settings, scroll down, and now you can see if your storage is full. Hope that fixed the problem. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.